Hello, it's the Luigi Show. Mario thinks it's his show, but his show is about me, a Luigi. I don't even know where Mario is. Mario, where are you? Come over here. Oh,
Hello.
oh, there's Mario. Hi, Mario. Where did Mario go?
Wait a minute. Where's my phone?
He asked me to wait for him. I don't know what I'm waiting for. Mario, where did you go? Where did Mario go? Oh, a mushroom!
I get the green because I just went.
I get the green mushroom, and Mario gets the red mushroom. Oh, I feel like I have the firepower. So Mario, what do you want to do today? Hello?
We're going to Mushroom Kingdom.
The Mushroom Kingdom. Hey, why do you always run away from me?
Oh. Sometimes.
Why do you always run?
Okay.
Sometimes I like to talk.
I know.
Let's have a staring contest.
I can blink.
I can't blink either, so we will have a tie.
Uh-uh.
We will both win.
I blinked.
Oh, I win. I win.
Ha.
Luigi's the winner. Ha ha ha. You didn't see that.
Luigi!
Ah! Look out there. It's a Koopa. Let's go see. That's Koopa. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Ow! Okay. Are you coming to get them? Maybe you can find me.
Where did Mario go? Mario! Where are you?
He's thinking.
Mario! Oh! There he is. Let's go see that Koopa.
Okay. There's a Koopa. There's a Koopa.
Be very, very careful.
Okay. Right here.
Don't want him to bite us. Hello, Mr. Koopa. Hello. How are you today? Koopaloo, Koopaloo. Hello, Mr. Koopa. I don't think he wants us to come out.
Yeah. Koopa. 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 This one.
Well, I don't think the Koopa wants to come out today.
He doesn't.
He's staying in his shell.
Yeah.
So that's the end of our Koopa adventure. Bye-bye.
Bye.